So in this video, I want to show you my wheel bucket and all the brushes that I have and how I use that to also use it as an engine cleaning arsenal. So it's not so much about the wheels and tire brushes that I have, but what I have in that bucket that I use for wheels and tires that I also apply to engine cleaning. Because a lot of time, and this is what I've said for so long now, is that you don't want to buy one tour product that only has one single application. That's where you have a bunch of things that are in your garage or in your van that only get one purpose, and that just takes a space, redundancy. You'd rather have one brush, one-to-one product that can do multiple things, so you can just save time, save money, and save space in your shop or in your van. So that's what we'll be covering in this video. So here we have the retractable hose that I got for Target for I don't know how much. I got the long handle brush for the harder to reach areas on bigger trucks, like the end of the at the bottom of the hood. Two easy detail brushes. To be honest, 90% of the time I'm still just using the big one, not so much the small one. I use the board chart brush for the larger areas, for larger sweeping motions. I have this as an option, but honestly don't really use it. Specifically use this one. Then an assortment of small brushes. To be honest, I'm only using this one. Ever so often I'll actually use a smaller one. And then of course your hose and your attachment. And this is basically what I use. So I use these for wheel cleaning 100%, for fenders, inner barrels, wheel faces, lug nuts and tighter areas on the wheel. And like I said, for the engine bay, for the under the hood, for tight areas, this is the one I'm using most of the time. Not so much, but maybe every now and then. Larger areas, not so much this one. And then detailed areas, and this is all I use. So it's great when you're looking at buying tools and products. You want to see what you can repurpose, so you don't have to have multiple wheels, products, tools, whatever that you're carrying around 24/7. For instance, I wouldn't recommend that you have a wheel release set just for wheels, and then you only use this for wheels, and then you keep these for engine or whatever. Because like, why would you just starting off, if you're limited on your resources, budget, if you don't have that much space in your van or your vehicle, why try to carry multiple things? Like this here does exactly does all the wheels, tires, fenders, and engine. So that's great. You don't want to tack on more if you can't. And that's going to wrap it up. Just a short video. All the links will be down in the description box. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave those in the comments. If you have any other tips about what other brushes specifically you can use that apply for both, wheel cleaning, an engine, or interior cleaning, what have you. I mean, I don't cross-contaminate those. The interior stays for the interior, and the exterior stays for the exterior, just due to the nature of the cleanings. But if you have any tips, leave those in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one.